world has changed quite a bit. We have some very interesting demos coming up now. We're going to go through 4 of them. Each one will be about 5 to 7 minutes. So I'd first like to welcome Gemini Waghmare and Brendan Paddick from UXP Systems and Columbus Communications. Welcome. Welcome.
You want to do that? Yeah. So. It off, eh? Okay, you got that right here? Yeah.
He's in the middle here.
It goes to the iPad.
All right. What are you going to show us?
Well, hopefully this is going to work. It's all on Wi-Fi. If it doesn't work, we blame it on the network.
All right, just don't blame it on me.
Yeah, so first of all, I made sure my pants were looser. Feel better? You feel better?
I feel good.
And my wife always tells me that my space for dancing is keep it here. So no risk of tripping on that. So my name is Brendan Paddick. I'm the CEO of Columbus Communications. Columbus Communications owns and operates a 40,000 kilometer subsea and terrestrial fiber optic network that connects 23 countries in the Caribbean, Latin America, and the Andean region. In 4 of those countries, we're a triple play operator, approaching 500,000 subs. That makes us the largest MSO in the Caribbean. Although we're still growing at about 25% a year, and we really haven't started to talk about net subscriber losses like some of our more mature North American brethren, we position Columbus on a platform of innovation. So we're trying to stay ahead of the competition in our marketplace. And although we may be still in a very high growth market, we're still seeing trends that are very common in North America working their way into our ecosystem as well. Trends like over-the-top usage is exploding, not just for video, but for messaging and voice. We're seeing huge cell phone penetration. In fact, in many of our countries and in all the countries in which we operate, cell phone penetration is in excess of 100%. So more people carry 2 cell phones, basically on the road to landline displacement. And of course, tablets are coming on the market in a big kind of way. And then finally, our consumers, as I coin it, want to essentially access anything on anything, anywhere. And that's where our Flow2Go product comes in. So what we just did is in Trinidad, we just launched the industry's first true multi-screen bundle that seamlessly unifies voicemail, voice, video, and soon many other applications such as social media into one platform. And the unique attribute of this is that we've integrated a layer of personalization so that we now have a one-to-one relationship with our customers in the household. So up until now, it's our opinion that only cell phone companies really knew who was using the device, because even your 5, 6, 7, 8-year-old kids have their own cell phone number, but you don't know who's using the TV, who's sitting at the laptop at the island in the kitchen, or who's on the tablet. So as I'll try and show you through our demonstration, we think we've conquered that challenge so that now we're building a personal relationship with our customer base. So of course this thing went to sleep, and I probably don't know your passcode. Okay, so here is Flow2Go on an iPad. We also have it on our iPhones, basically Androids and other devices, including laptops. And as you can see on the login page, I have the option for both me and my wife Renee to log in, i.e. the different users in the household. So when we log in, we can actually verify against the subscriptions to sort of pave the way for this personalization experience. So if I tap on me and put in my passcode and log in, you'll see now that I'm going to land on what we call the communications dashboard. And I'm in the voice application right now. You see across the top, I can go to entertainment, I can go to account settings, but I'll start on communications. And as you can see, on the left side, we've seamlessly unified our call history with voicemail. And if I want to listen to a voicemail, I just find one from this morning.
Hey, good morning, Brendan. It's Gemini. I just wanted to wish you luck in the presentation at Mansion Park. I'll see you there. Bye.
So I got that in my hotel this morning. Very nice, Gemini. Thank you for that. But you also see my call history. I can scroll through. I can sort that by date, by contact, by type. And the interesting part of this is it's not, this is my landline in Trinidad. So I'm a subscriber in Trinidad. I subscribe to Flow's landline service, and I'm here in Boston, and I have access to my account. So if I switch over to the right side here and actually go to the dial pad, if somebody would give me that I don't know, because I don't want this to be, you know, set up, someone I don't know, give me their cell phone, would you be willing to do it? No? No? How about Mr. Risley, I met before. It's your cell phone number. Nobody will take it down. Four, six. Okay. So again, I'm calling on my landline phone in Trinidad, sitting on a Wi-Fi hotspot in Boston. Hopefully this guy's phone's going to ring. Show me if it rings, please. Oh, there it is. Hey, answer it. Okay, so it picked up. I'll hang up. So the point is, that didn't cost me, as a Flow customer, 1 penny. So I take my devices with me when I'm basically connected to any network, and I've essentially eliminated the cell phone network for the most part, at least the minutes part of it. If I go to the Communications tab, Entertainment tab, sorry, I was already in Communications. Here you basically see our legacy EPG system. So this is the entire channel lineup in Trinidad. If I click on a channel that I happen to not subscribe, I can do that right now because Gemini and his team have seamlessly integrated both our provisioning and our billing system to work on this application. If I go to My Subscription, it basically filters it down to what I subscribe to. Pick a channel, you can see that I have a lot of options. I can watch it now, I can share it, tweet it, Facebook, something I don't even know how to do, send it in an email. I can set a reminder, or I can access our PVR in the cloud. Record it on this device, pick it up on the iPhone and start from there, get home, watch it on TV, and things of that nature. If I go to Live TV, you'll see I can watch now. So this is our IPTV platform, and this is actually NBC streaming live in HD from Trinidad here in Boston. Great job, I think. If I go to my account settings, this is where you see that we can personalize this by family user. So I have myself, my wife, and my daughter Kayla. If I click on Renee, she's an administrator, so she can make changes to the account. I'm not having much luck getting that to work, Gemini. But basically, this is where I can set parental controls, what channels you want access to, ratings. I can tether between which services if you want family members to have access to the phone or the TV or the internet service, all integrated in. So we really start to build that personalized experience. So how do we do this in 6 months? I'd like to introduce you to Gemini Waghmare, the founder of UXP Systems, who's our innovation partner, to take you through how this all works from a back-end perspective.
Thanks, Brendan. I think we can get a slide up. I can talk you through it. So my name is Gemini Waghmare. I'm the CEO of UXP Systems. We're a Canadian company that's built a pretty innovative platform that we deployed at Columbus for their Flow offering. And essentially, you're missing the last word there, but we're leveraging our platform to enable new paradigms. What our platform does, the multi-screen interaction platform, is essentially provide for a cable operator user lifecycle management. So the ability to extend beyond the billing construct, which is a household for a cable operator, and extend that to individuals. And it also provides an orchestration utility to seamlessly unify the experience. And I guess in more English terms, what that means is essentially we are breaking the household paradigm that the MSO has without breaking the underlying billing system. You know, cable operators know households. And in order to deliver a subscription-aware experience, you've got to leverage the billing system and personalize. And the second thing we do is we break the device paradigm, where the set-top box orchestrates a video experience or the phone orchestrates a voice experience. We abstract that with a set of general utilities into, if you will, Columbus's cloud. And so to that end, we can essentially provide to any service and to any IT or BSS system the ability now to deliver an orchestrated, unified experience to the individual. And we do it without breaking the back-end systems. So essentially, we break the legacy paradigms without breaking the legacy systems. So for some of you that might be a little bit more technically oriented, how does that work? And by the way, we're a CIO IT finalist tomorrow at 2 p.m. So if you'd like to learn a little bit more, we invite you to it. You've got Columbus's infrastructure up here. You know, on the left-hand side, the billing systems. and multiple in your case and most others. And on the right-hand side, the network service infrastructure, multiple voice switches, voicemail servers. It's a multi-vendor environment to which it's very painful to go ahead and replace these systems. You want to get your services to multiple screens delivered to an individual user. So what we do is we deploy a fit gap approach with the Mint platform that does two things, as I said. The first is we verify with the billing system, the billing subscription, and deliver this 360-degree personalization. On the right-hand side, we have the orchestration engine. So when we talk about orchestration, it's identification, subscription authorization, access, any content synchronization of voicemails and EPG, but now enabled in the cloud for any service. Seamless, unified, personalized interactions. So we're looking forward to continuing to innovate with Columbus, and certainly working with a number of other operators. We're in the CableNet showcase, and congratulations on your launch.
Great.
And thank you.
And congratulations to both of you. That's very, very cool stuff.
Thank you very
Good.
much.
Thanks for coming.
Okay.